Lisa is rescuing a squirrel that is stuck in a pipe.
Is there poop water in here?
No, it's just from the drain.
Hey, squirrel. Lisa, you want to be a plumber?
She wants to be an animal rescuer. Lisa,
Put player
Lisa,
in there. Is he in there?
from this side. Is he in there? It was a bird, not a squirrel. The bird is very happy.
My God. Oh my God.
Where'd he go?
Did you get it on there?
Yes, and I jumped too because it came right at me.
There's worms in here and shit.
That's probably what it was going after. Poor little thing, it would have died.
Give it the